What up, Rockford? It's your boy Manny Salgado. Thanks for tuning in to another edition of Manny's Mexican Minute. This time we're on the east side of Rockford, over here in the Spring Creek and Perryville area at Fuego Nuevo. This place, we awarded them the best Mexican restaurant of the year at Tamale Fest this year in 2021, just 2 or 3 weeks ago. And we wanted to come check it out. Let's see why the judges voted this place number one. And of course, try the food. So let's mask up and get in there. Follow me. Order the pambazo. I had no idea they even had a pambazo. Teresa got the mole, and then Arsen over here got the cochinita pibil tacos. Those are obviously delicious. He's already mouthed down half of them. But let's do this, man. Let's check this out. It's nice and crispy. Man. We might have a new contender for the best pambazo in town. Good flavor, nice crunch, really good flavor. If you've never been to Fuego Nuevo, man, obviously this place is gorgeous inside. Good service, good tequila selection. I see why they won Best Mexican Restaurant. Stay tuned, we're gonna try even more food. Wow. Okay, you guys. So my beautiful wife here didn't want me on camera, so I was like, let me try this. Mole, or let me record you trying this mole if you didn't want to do it. So I have to sit here and try it. Man, I've already been probably eating too much of it, but I learned from the owner that they actually make their own mole. So the fact that they make it and have such a good flavor shows they really know what they're doing. Delicious. The little jalapenos on top are really spicy, so throw those off. But I just have to say, man, the pambazo was great. The margaritas are fire, and I'm not drinking, but I definitely taste them. Delicious. 10 out of 10. If you've never been here, you need to come down here. Fuego Nuevo, Perryville, and Springfield. Come try this joint. Fuego Nuevo. Guys, obviously, my wife Teresa, DJ Arsen. Guys, would you guys come back?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Oh,
yeah. Yeah.
For everything.
Now, we've been here often, but our judges decided. It wasn't just us deciding. It was our judges that gave this place. They won, by the way, 14 points. We see now why. We've been here often, but we did miss a lot of things that the judges recommended and commented on the score sheets. So the mole, number one, fire. Amazing mole. How was the cochinita pibil?
Oh my God, so good, so good. I definitely get it again.
You would. I had the pambazo. The pambazo, now that we know, there's 2 places in Rockford that has pambazo. It is right on up there with the other place. So if you've never been here, it's on the corner, kind of on the corner of Spring Creek and Perryville. Fuego Nuevo Grill, Rockford's best Mexican restaurant, voted by our judges at Tamale Fest in 2021. And by the way, huge shout out to all of our sponsors, all of our people that came, supported, and visited us at Tamale Fest. Me, DJ Arsen, and my wife Teresa, we thank you all. God bless y'all. And until next time, people, love, peace, and taco grease.